Hi guys and welcome to our channel. I hope you guys are living your best life back at home. As you can see मेरे surroundings में कि I'm outdoors today. Don't worry, I got my mask along with me and ये मेरी society के अंदर का ही area है, which is quite convenient because I really wanted to be shooting this video outdoors today. And as you can see, I have a lot of stuff in front of me. और इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक terrarium बनाने वाले हैं. And all of this stuff is from an Instagram store called Terra Miniature, who I collaborated with for this video. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि टेरेरियम क्या होता है, इट इज़ बेसिकली एन इनक्लोज्ड स्मॉल प्लांट इकोसिस्टम. यूजुअली इट्स इनक्लोज, लेकिन मैं जो यहाँ पे बोल यूज़ कर रही हूँ, इट इज़ अ फिश बोल जो ऊपर से खुला हुआ है, बट दैट इज़ स्टिल ओके. इन अ लॉट ऑफ केसेस टेरेरियम्स आर एक्चुअली क्लोज्ड बॉक्सेस जिसके अंदर प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे पास इतना अच्छा मटेरियल है जिससे मैं एक प्रॉपर लैंडस्केप्ड टेरेरियम बना सकती हूँ and I can decorate it really well. So in today's video I'm going to share the entire process of doing that. And the one good thing about a terrarium is that it is amazing for decoration. चाहे आप इसे किसी सेंटर टेबल पे रखना चाहें या फिर आप अपने घर के किसी कॉर्नर में रखना चाहें, it is an amazing piece of decoration with live plants inside it. As you can see, I have those with me too. So here are all the things that you will need to make a terrarium. सबसे पहले तो आपके पास कुछ छोटे-छोटे live plants होने चाहिए. Like I mentioned, these are from Terra Miniature in my case. इनमें से कुछ plants मेरे घर के ही हैं जो मैंने तोड़े हैं, सेपरेट किए हैं अपने रूट से. जैसे कि ये प्लांट सिंगोनियम का एक छोटा सा and ये jade plant. So you'll need small little live plants that can go inside of your live terrarium ecosystem. Besides that, we have some moss over here, and moss को आप as grass use कर सकते हैं. This also came from Terra Miniature in my case. I did not grow all of this moss, but moss का बिल्कुल texture and जो feel होता है वो grass वाला ही होता है. So in our live ecosystem, this is going to do the work of grass for us for landscaping our terrarium. Next few things that we have over here are we have some gravel for drainage. Then we have some charcoal over here. चारकोल इज़ अ वेरी गुड एडसॉर्बेंट. इस सिस्टम में कोई ड्रेनेज होल नहीं होगा, विच इज़ वाई वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ ड्रेनेज बाय आवर सेल्स. ग्रेवल एंड चारकोल मेक फॉर रियली गुड ड्रेनेज आइटम्स. बिसाइड्स दैट वी हैव अ मैश ओवर हियर जिसको मैं 2 साइज काटने वाली हूँ इस टेरेरियम बोल के. We have soil, landscaping stone 1, landscaping stone 2 and landscaping stone 3. These are going to be 3 different kinds of landscaping stones. We'll only find out what they look like once we open up these packages. So let's get started and open up all of these packages that we are going to use for our terrarium. One more thing, मेरे पास ये जो fish bowl है is something that I got from Banjara market for just 100 rupees. एंड इसके नीचे एक होल था वैसे तो, बट हमारे टेरेरियम में वी डोंट रिक्वायर अ ड्रेनेज होल, विच इज़ वाई आई हैव सील्ड ऑफ दिस बोल with some glue gun and plastic over here. Let's bring this to the center, and the first thing that we're going to add over here is some gravel. So this gravel not only is great for drainage but also it creates a very nice effect from the outside. ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ pebbles, कुछ stones हैं इसके अंदर, इस terrarium के अंदर. So this is definitely a very good addition to our terrarium. Now we have to use a mesh and cover up the gravel with this mesh 2 size. So we'll have to cut it according to this fish bowl. Very approximately, I'm just going to start cutting off the edges. We've got a very rough circle over here जिसको मैं डालने वाली हूँ इस terrarium के अंदर. Next over here we have some horticulture grade charcoal, which also I'm going to put inside. Just cover up this entire mesh with this. So on top of this we are going to add some really well draining soil क्योंकि इस पूरे सिस्टम में बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रेनेज नहीं है, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ ड्रेनेज. वी नीड टू यूज सॉइल विच इज़ रियली वेल ड्रेनिंग एंड एड ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक 3 centimeters or at least 4 centimeters of the soil. I feel like this work of creating a terrarium requires a lot of patience because you have to make sure that you're doing things right. So I am already feeling very meditative and mellow. अब बस हम लोग landscaping का पूरा process start करेंगे. After I think I add a little bit of extra garden soil to it क्योंकि मेरे पास यहाँ पे कुछ plants हैं जिनकी roots थोड़ी सी लंबी है. So let's see what kind of landscaping stones do we have in here for creating our masterpiece. Nice. And we have some of these smaller stones. Alright guys, check this out. I am done with creating this terrarium. मुझे शुरू में बहुत nervousness हो रही थी कि पता नहीं ये कैसा बनेगा. But fortunately now that I see it, it's looking so freaking pretty. I am so proud that this is going to be a decorative piece in my house. I think if I have to tell you the advantages of keeping a terrarium, it's a very small plant ecosystem, so not very difficult to take care of. If you're starting off with your journey of taking care of plants, I think you can start off with this. And to take care of this, all you have to do is इसके ऊपर किसी स्प्रे बॉटल से, ये मेरे पास एक पुरानी स्प्रे बॉटल पड़ी थी जिसमें रोज वाटर आया था, अब इसमें मैंने पानी डाल दिया है. एंड वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्प्रे all the plants with this spray water. Now obviously after spraying all the plants, मुझे इस पूरे कंटेनर को थोड़ा सा अंदर से क्लीन करना पड़ेगा, for which you can use a normal cloth and clean this entire jar. And I think that is one of the cons of an open and I think that is one of the cons of an open system, open terrarium system, कि उसमें dust अंदर जा सकती है and you will regularly have to clean out this container. But besides that, they're such a pretty piece of decoration, and if you make them right, they'll also last you for a very long time, because these plants are all live plants and they won't die out as long as you keep taking care of them. So this is the final finished piece. So guys, that's it for today and for our terrarium making experience. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, because this is such an enjoyable and therapeutic process. Let me know in comments if you are willing to try it, and if you do try it, please tag me in your stories on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations and your respective designs of how you make your terrariums in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on more such videos if you'd like to see me make more DIY projects, and I'll see you next time in another video. Bye bye.